How to log out of Facebook. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can log out of Facebook, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to log out to Facebook, all you have to do is open the Facebook application, and you can currently see that I'm logged into my account. And if I want to log out, it's actually quite simple. You have to tap the three lines option from the top right. Now if you're using iOS, these options is normally going to be at the bottom, so depending on what you're using, just tap the three lines option from the top right hand side and just scroll down a bit further below. You'll find this option here known as Logout. So you want to make sure to tap the Logout option, tap on the logout button, and you'll be successfully signed out of Facebook. This way you're usually able to go ahead and then log out of Facebook. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.